On today's episode on WarpDriveM, we are not going to work on the 4 series. We are going back to the shop. We are going to continue working on the 1 series. We are going to finish that project. And I think in the next episode we are going to work on this one. Now that I've done the service complete on the engine, I'm going to install this plastic trim that is missing. It's missing since I bought the car. I bought a brand new one. I'm not really sure why, but I bought it. And you can see in here BMW original part. It's brand spanking new. So we have brand spanking new clips as well. Let's install the clips. Let's see. That's aligned. This one as well, this one as well. Okay, we can push it in. So we have a brand new trim on the 1 series. Perfect. Now looks amazing. Really. And by the way, I've ordered this cap as well. This is a brand new piece as well. Let's see how this one goes. Something like this. I'm going to use my other hand. Perfect. Now we have a complete car, finally. I've picked up some new wheels for the 1 series, and in fact I picked up 2 sets of wheels. We are going to test these ones. These are 17s. The tires are like brand new, but we are going to receive different tires for the rear. These are 205, 50, 17, and we are going to install 225, 45, 17 for the rear and 205 in the front. But till I receive the tires, we are going to install these wheels, and I'm going to check if I'm going to like the look or not really sure, and I'm going to show you after I install the other wheels on the other side, and we are going to compare it, and we can decide which one we are going to use. It's like a different car with these wheels for sure. So it looks way better. Like I said, tomorrow we are going to try the other ones, and in the meanwhile I want to try to remove this black stripe. It looks horrible, to be honest. Let's try to see if it's going to come off, because see that from the sun I'm pretty sure I won't be able to take it out, or I'm going to take it out with clear coat, that's for sure. I'm really happy how the car looks now. Just this line, it's bothering me like a lot, but the tinted windows, the new wheels, and that I've done this bumper in here, and all the scratches I've wiped, looks really good, really good. And let's not forget, we have parking sensor now and are working perfect. This is a real fight. Oh my god, it's not coming off at all. So I took the clear coat here completely, in here as well. I've started in here. We have no clear coat peeling in here, but I cannot take it out, and this took me already hours. I'm going to continue tomorrow because sadly this is my time for today. we have this portion in here and in here, and after that we can start sanding the car to prepare it to be, I'm not really sure, wrapped or I'm going to clear coat it, the whole car, not really sure for now, but I have to take this black foil out. It looks like garbage. I have a little bit in here, but yeah, we are going to continue tomorrow, because tomorrow we can check the other wheels that I'm receiving and we can decide which one will remain on the car. And I finally received the new tires for the 1 Series. This will go in the back. We have two 25, 45, 17s, and I need this 91V because I'm not allowed with different ones. I want to do everything by the book because I don't want to have problems. So brand spanking new. Let's go to a shop to install them, and let's see how it looks. I've installed the new tires on these wheels, and I didn't took the other wheels, so we will rock these wheels for now. We have perfect, almost brand new tires in the front, brand spanking new tires in the back, and I'm going to wait a day or two for the design to be put on the car, and after that we are going to drive the car as is, stock, of course it's stock, on Nürburgring, to see what kind of time we have, if it's going to work, if not, if the engine will hold. Not really sure, but I'm pretty sure it's going to hold, because I've drove like 2000 kilometers with a rebuild engine. It's not quite a rebuild. I replaced just the bare minimum in order to work, but it's holding. Now we are going to wash the car, because I received the design, the foil that we are going to put on the car for the track, and all the partners that we are working with. We are going to have all the names in there. I finished washing the car, but we have to drive fast because it's starting to rain, and I don't want to have any dirt, not water, dirt on the car, because we have to dry the car as well in order to put this foil. Let's drive fast to the shop, and let's see how it's going to look. Still runs perfect, no errors whatsoever, everything is fine. Back at the garage, I've prepared everything to put the vinyl wrap on the car. I have one on this side, one on the hood, and on the other side, but I noticed that I've ordered something wrong, that's for sure. So on this side we'll start from here, WarpDriveM, and on the other side, because I didn't ordered on the like mirror, we'll start from here. So WarpDriveM here, this side. But it doesn't matter, because I don't want to wait for another week to order different vinyl, and that's why we are going to put the sides first, left and right, and after that I'm going to decide if I'm going to put this on like this, or maybe so like this, something like that. I think it's going to look way better like this, but I'm not an expert on installing this kind of stuff. I'm not really sure if I'm going to manage to do that. I'm going to try, that's for sure. So let's start. One side down, two more to go, one side and the hood. But I think it looks okay. I align everything by the eye. I don't have any kind of experience how to put it more to the left or more to the right. So I've done one side. Now I'm going to take some measurements and I'm going to do the same on the other side. And I'm going to show you the end result. So we have some sponsors in here. If you want to support this build, you can buy something from the shop. I'm going to put all the links in the description box below. You can donate, and your name will be in here, that's for sure. So one side done, like I said, let's do the other one and let's see the end result. I've done this side as well. I've turned the car around because I used some heat gun between the doors to heat the vinyl in here. And yep, it's done. In the front I'm going to wait for a few days to be sure that I want to put something on the hood because the clear coat is peeling a lot from here, and I'm not really sure if it's going to stick. Maybe I can do it on this side, not really sure for now, but it's going to remain like this. But it's done. And with all of that being said and done, I think we are at the end of the video. The 1 Series is 99% done. I just have to fix the handbrake and pretty much that's about it. But I'm here with the hood or the bonnet open because the 4 Series started to throw a check engine light, and in the next episode we are going to check what's wrong with this one. Either way, if you want to follow my journey with this car or with the other one, join me for the next episode. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.